Flipkart in the web page gives a very good user experience. It's an incredible experience. To get this Flipkart using CSS is also very easy and it saves lots of space. Basically, it needs 5 components: the container, the inner card holder hover, and the front and the back page. We will see this in our HTML file. First, we will create the div class for the container which holds the complete card holder, front page and the back page, which the container provides the space for this flipping card. Next, class card holder holds the front and back of the card, and card holder is the one when the mouse hover over the card holder, it flips the front to the back page. Then we will also have class for front, div class for front and div class for back. Let me bring the image for front of the card. I am having a parrot.jpg in my folder along with this HTML file. So let me give the width as 100 pixel and height of this image as 200 pixel. This will be the front of our card. On hovering over the card holder, we will bring back of the card, which will display the text as parrot, and the second line of the back side of the card will say it's a bird. So it is meaningful. The front page will have the picture and the back side on hovering it will say it's the bird. Now at this level, when we see the preview, we have the parrot and immediately to the bottom we have the text printed. We have to bring the flipping card effect by styling them. So coming back to the HTML file, we will create styling first for the container, which gives the space. So for the class container, we will give the width and height. I am going to give 100 pixel for width and a height for 200 pixel. The background color for this container I am going to choose as transparent, because let the front of the card and back of the card shall take over its own characteristics. For the div class card holder, we will give the position, relative position, and define the width and height as 100%, as this card holder is the one which will have both the front and back side of our card. So card holder position is relative with width and height as 100%. Next, the important one is we will give the transform style preserve 3D. I have chosen preserve 3D effect for transform style, and transition we will choose 1 second for this transition from front to back and back to front. So, on hovering over this card holder, div card holder class, we will transform it by 180 degrees. So we will take rotate along the y-axis by 180 degrees. Y-axis so that it flips along vertically. We will also define the characteristics of front and back class. Common characteristics we will put it in the same container. Let us position it as absolute with width and height as 100%. And one more important property that we have to consider for the div class front and back is back face has to be hidden, so that when we are in the front of the card, back side is not visible, back class is not visible. When we are in the back class, front class is not visible, so back face visibility is hidden. These four are common characteristics for the class front and back. The unique characteristics for the class back, we will give the background color as blue and color of the text shall be white. As back card will have parrot and it is a bird, we are giving background color and color of the text. I am aligning the text to the center. Also we will give transform rotate along the y-axis by 180 degree, because when we move out the mouse from the card, we want to go back to the front. On hovering the mouse, the card holder will bring the back page, and on hovering out the mouse, again the back page will bring back the front. That is parrot image. So our preview, when we hover the mouse, we got the back page, that is parrot, it is a bird, and when we move the mouse out, again we are getting the front page, that's the image as such.